Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes.
In today class, we are going to discuss about one more catalog item. Okay. So that would be server request or something. So we have list of catalog items available. From that, I may explain one catalog item and remaining you can do as a homework. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Going to this PC assignment one. Servicenow training documents. Okay. So basically, within this assignment too, so we have multiple catalog items are there. Okay. From this, I'm going to explain you one catalog item. So you can see email access, desktop, emergency disable, request accessory, SharePoint, service no access, table, tablet, like that. Okay. So I may explain one. So maybe I'm explaining the first one, server request. Okay. This is the catalog item. Now you can come. I'm going to maintain items. Yeah, before going to that, yesterday we have created one catalog item, right? Maintain items. I'm going to maintain items. Add user to group. You can open this add user to group.
Can you please create new one for this?
Wait. I will create new one. Okay. So basically here you can see for group or user, I haven't make any mandatory or read only. Okay. So I'm planning to make mandatory and read only for that. If it is a group, okay, I'm just bringing mandatory. So you can open this group variable. You can open both the variables. I just want to make mandatory both the variables on this catalog item form. Right. So here you can see we have mandatory read only hidden unit queue. Okay. So I'm just keeping mandatory true. Wait, it's loading. Hmm. I'm just making mandatory true. Save. Here also I'm making mandatory true. So if you want to keep read only, yes, you can keep. Okay. Now you can come and refresh here. The mandatories will be applied. Okay. Like this from the variable form itself, if you want to make mandatory or read only, so we have options here. Okay, we have options here. So this I missed to explain on previous class. I just explained. I'm closing all the tabs. Catalog, maintain items. I'm creating new catalog item called server request. Server request. Catalogs. I may take service catalog. Maybe category I'm taking services. Okay. So here we have multiple catalogs, technical, knowledge, service. Okay, we have multiple things. So here also we have multiple categories. Okay, service, template management, office, service, cables, adapters, like that. So I have given catalogs and category. I'm giving short description, server request. I may add some theory for this. Okay. Maybe wait. I'm going to process engine. I may create one workflow. New workflow I'm creating here. First description also subject. Close it. Now you can again search for server request. Yeah, yes, we have added server request. Here I'm adding the picture. Whose file I already downloaded earlier. Okay. We just gone through. Yeah, this is server request. Okay. Scroll down. Pricing, don't require it. If you want to provide pricing like $10, $5. And recurring price means recurring price frequency means. So maybe if you see the e-commerce websites, okay, for 2 days, the product cost will be $10, and maybe after one day, if we see that it may reduce to by $1, like $9. Maybe after 1 week, if we check the item price, so it may be $15. Like, so based upon the recurring price frequency and recurring price mentioned, so the product value will be displayed to us. Okay. And these are the portal settings. I may explain these settings with this catalog item. Saving it. So if you observe, so here almost 15 catalog, 20 catalog items are there, almost 20 catalog items in there. So server request, you can see, you can identify the common variables, requester, requester's user ID, requester for. If you go to the hardware request, requester, requester's user ID, requester for, requester first manager. These are the few common variables, okay? Printer request. You can see here also, requester, requester's user ID, requester for. These are the common variables, computer. So, like in every catalog item, so we have few common variables. I don't want to create these common variables every time in the catalog item. Okay. Now I'm going to create all these common variables in one variable set. I'm going to utilize that variable set to the all the catalog items. Okay. Our request is server. Now you can come. I'm going to variable set here. I'm going to variable set here. I'm creating a new variable set. New. So if it is a single row variable set, the look and feel should be like this. If it is a multi-row variable set, the look and feel should be like this. So most of the times we will use single row variable set only. Okay. And if you want Excel kind of structure in the catalog item, Excel sheet kind of structure in the catalog item form. So if you want to add multiple data at a time, so at that time only we will go with multi-row variable set. Okay. For our example, we don't require multi-row variable set. I'm just taking single row variable set. You can come here. I'm just saying requester information. I'm saying my variable set name is requester information. Layer 2 column wide alternative settings I'm selecting. Okay. Saving this variable set. We can create all common variables within this variable set. Again, team. So here creating the variable set from the variable set, creating variables from the variable set, creating variables from the catalog item, both are same only. Okay, but what are the common variables we have identified in all the catalog items? So we are creating in separate variable set, and we are going to utilize that variable set within our catalog items. Okay. So new variable. Order is very, very important. Based upon the order we specified, you are able to see the like variables in the that particular order only. First variable. Requester. First variable name is requester. I'm taking order is 100. I'm taking reference. Okay. requester REQUEST size specification. Hmm. What is the reference table for requester? Requester means user. Yes, the reference table is user. It's underscore user. Hold on. Can I identify the user table? Yes, here it is. And we have given question, we have given type specification. Yeah, in this variable set, I may use catalog UA policies, okay, instead of this dictionary mandatory only. We've already seen with previous item, right? So now I'm going to use catalog UA policies. Next, next variable is requesters user ID. Requesters user ID. For this, I'm taking order is 200 and single line text only. Okay. Requesters user ID. Requester underscore user underscore ID and just submit it. Next one. Requested for. Next one is requested for. So basically here we have variable requested for variable, but I'm not taking requested for variable. So I may take reference. Okay. Oh, wait. REQ, requested for notation. This underscore is wrong. Submitting. Yeah, like within this catalog item, the common variables related to requester is only these three variables. But we are creating this variable set for all the catalog items, right? We can identify any other catalog items contains some different common variables. I may go to hardware request. Here you can see, here we have another common variable, requested first manager. Okay, I'm copying it. New I'm taking 400. Here also I'm taking reference. Requesters first manage. Requested underscore for underscore manager. Submit. Okay. Uh, Next, we may go to the another catalog of requested item. Here nothing is there. Printer request. No, nothing is there. Computer admin rights. So if you observe here, we have location also requested first region. But this is also kind of common variable only. Okay. So I'm going to create new variable here. This is also a reference variable. They will not say the variable type. Okay. They simply give requirement. Okay. We have to identify based upon the variable they have given. We have to identify. This also I'm taking reference and order is 500 and requested parts region. That means location. Okay. Size specification. What is the table name for location? Tell me. CMN underscore location. Submit. So like most of the common variables I have created. Okay. Uh, you can come to maintain items again. We can try that server request. Okay. Server request. So within this server request, yes, we have added the variable set, requester information, try it. So requester user ID, request manager, reach. Okay. Yeah, first of all, we can work on these variable set. Then after I will create remaining variables in the this catalog item. I may create these variables later. First, we can work on the variable set. Yes. Here requester should be having the default value as a current login user. I'm just right clicking on requested for, I'm going to configure variable. Wait, we have to make default value. Come here, JavaScript :gs dot get user ID. Start get user ID. Update. Requested for also I want to set current login user. Okay. Configure variable. So default value. JavaScript colon. Okay. Next. Right. Requesters user ID. If it is if it is available in all catalog items, I may make mandatory here itself. Otherwise, I won't. Okay. Yeah. Like requesters user ID almost there. Almost all is there in all the catalog items. Now you can come here. So requester for requesters user ID. These three should be the common variables and I want to make mandatory. Okay. Sorry, requester and requester for are mandatory. Requester's user ID should be a read only. Yes. I'm going to server request again. Scroll down. I'm going to variable set. Okay. I'm going to catalog by policies. Make mandatory. Requester, comma requester for and read only. Requesters user ID. Okay. So I want to apply this catalog UI policy and catalog task, requested items, and target task. Okay, I'll just select that. Saving this catalog UI policy. You can come. We can create catalog UI policy actions. Requester mandatory true. Submit. New variable. Requested for mandatory. Hold on. New requesters user ID. Read only true. Sub. Right? We can verify. Yes. Requester is mandatory, requester far is mandatory, and requester user ID is mandatory. So we have created this catalog web policies on variable set level. Variable set level. For our catalog item, for our server request catalog item, for our server request catalog item, we may keep we may write these web policy later. Now you can come. Now, whenever requester is selected here, I want to populate requester's user ID in the requester's user ID field. You can come. You can go to catalog client scripts. I'm clicking on new client script. Populate requester user ID. Applies on requester right, applies on catalog task, applies on target record. Okay. So here I'm selecting all types. Here on change on the requester. On change on the requester. So I want to execute this script while loading the form, while changing the field value. Okay. You can come to where req equal to g underscore form dot get value of no, wait. So we have to bring the requester's user ID, right? That means we have to do single dot walking by using get reference method. G underscore form dot get reference of request request. Okay. G underscore form dot set value of request ID comma true. Yes. So I'm formatting the logic and I'm saying the client. You can come and refresh this server request whether user ID is populating or not. Tell me. Oh, it is populating as that's not correct. req dot user underscore name. req dot user underscore name. This user underscore name is a field name in the user table. Field name in the user table. I'm just doing the single dot marking here. Save. Now come and refresh here. Is it working fine or not? Yeah, system administrator's user ID is admin. For example, I'm selecting Anji user. Anji user's user ID is anji.gade. I'm just selecting Saujanya. Saujanya's user ID is saujanya.guntaka. Okay. Yes, it is working fine. So if you are implementing any web policy, any scripts, whatever it may be for the catalog items, you have to verify in two ways. So this is a platform view. We can say this is a platform view. We also need to verify in the portal view. I'm just opening service portal now. You can type service portal. Service portal form. So most of the users in the organization will submit a catalog items from the service portal or from the employee center. Most of the users within the organization going to submit catalog items from the service portal or employee center. Okay. So I'm just going to catalog Our catalog is under services. Okay, browse by categories. So services will be there below to the offices. Okay, so offices, services. You can search for our item. This is the server request. This is our item. Server request. So what happened to requesters user ID? Tell me. What happened to requesters user ID? It's throwing an error. There is a JavaScript error in our browser console. There is a JavaScript error in your browser console. We are getting this error. That means this code is not working properly. This code is not working properly. Got it, everyone? So what is the alternative for this? I'm just going to write script include and I'm going to call that script include to the client side scripting. Okay. So I'm just commenting this. I'm just typing script include. So we have done one example, right? Bringing employee's email ID, similar kind of example. Instead of employee's email ID, we are getting the employee name, user ID. Okay. SCRVR server, REQEST server request. Client callable script include. Get user. This is my function. So here we know the script include name and function name. Okay, then we can start with Redux. Welcome here. So where GA equal to new Redux of script include name. What is the script include name? Script include name is server request. Copy paste here. GA dot add param param of spam underscore name comma function. What is the function name here? I'm sorry, team. Get username. GA dot add param of sys spam PARM underscore. I may say REQ only. So I'm just sending the requester REQUEST or requester. I'm saying requester. I may comment these both the lines. Okay, we don't require it. So I will create new variable where requester equal to G underscore form dot get value of requester. Okay, you can come. So here we are sending the requester. We can receive it from the scripting program from where I am utilizing the same variable name. Okay, request equal to this dot get parameter. So you just copy paste this parameters. This parameters for RE. Okay. Yeah, in the requester we are getting user SysID. Based upon the user SysID, we can easily identify the username. Okay. You can come where gr equal to new glad record of this underscore user gr dot add query of this comma id comma wait. Request paste. Oh, sorry. Wait. gr dot query So here we are dealing with single record only. So I'm just writing it here dot where username equal to gr dot user underscore name. Okay. Return username. Okay. So from here, just saying the scripting. Almost we have done with scripting. You can come here. We can receive the return value from the scripting flow. Okay. ga dot get xml of callback function. Get CO or get requester user ID. Get requester user ID. This is my callback function in here. Function response response where result equal to response dot response xml dot document element dot get the attribute of answer. Okay. I'm just setting this value, return value into the user ID. ID. Okay. So I'm just typing here, but you can copy paste always variable backends. Okay. Always you can copy paste. Don't type. I'm saving this catalog landscape. Even again, I'm saying the scripting. Now you can come and refresh this portal. Something is broken again. There is a JavaScript error in your browser. We have commented, right? Where response is- where result equal response is response for document element or get output of answer. Code is correct only requester user ID. So I may copy this thing. Mhm. Control Shift I. Illegal state has exception include Ajax. That means we made some mistake. You can come and identify the mistake included. Where J equal to new glide Ajax or script include name that param pi param of sys param pi comma function name sys pa rm underscore req requester get requester use. What is the mistake here? Don't think we have. We may return results in our message for debugging purpose. Save, clear, comment reflection. Mm. Client callable true. Get username. I may print this username as well. Okay. So now you can come and refresh here. Reload. At least I will check whether info message is added or not. System log. uh, Yeah, here we are getting username. So you can see, guys. So from the scripting flow side, there is no mistake. Only issue from GlideAjax. Where GA equal to new glide GLID script include name server request. I may copy again. Server request copy. Syspam PARM underscore name comma get username. I may change the function name here. Get REQ name. Saving it. Get REQ name. Save. Next line. GA dot add param PRM of spam PARM underscore REQ comma requester REQ requester. There is no GA dot get XML of get requester user ID function get requester response RESP response dot response XML dot doc. Any mistake here? Response RESPONSC dot RESPONSC. You can see. Here is the mistake. You can see response XML, but we have written XNL. That should be the mistake. XML. Okay. Now it will work. I'm saving this catalog client script. Now it will work definitely. You can come and refresh here. So please verify the spellings properly. Okay. So we made a spelling mistake here. You can see it is giving Abraham dot Lincoln